So today I'm going to be teaching you guys something very simple, but a lot of you have been asking for it. DeSynkro, how do you get the circular webcam frame that you see whenever I'm playing games? Well, my friends, it's actually incredibly easy. I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to do that. Roll that intro. How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is DeSynkro. I'm a variety streamer for the west coast of Australia, here trying to spread some positivity, put a smile on people's faces, and make the world a better place, even if it's just one person at a time. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys something incredibly simple, which is basically the circular webcam frame that you see on some of my streams when we're playing games. It's actually incredibly easy, incredibly convenient to do. It only takes a few steps, so let's get that party started. Hopping over to OBS over here, guys, I'm going to teach you exactly what to do. So let's suppose you already have everything ready to go. You just need to apply that filter. This is what you do. Let's suppose you already have your webcam frame. You already got your scene that you're going to use and everything, right? All you got to do is right-click the source with your camera and group the selected items. That's it. Now, what you want to do is you don't want to apply the filter to the camera. You want to apply the filter to the group, right? So you right-click that, you go to filters, you add a new filter, image, mask, and blend. And you can name whatever the hell you want, and then just click OK. After you apply the filter, it gets really easy from then on. All you gotta do is change the alpha mask from color channel to alpha channel, right? And then all you gotta do is add an alpha channel. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. An alpha channel that you would apply is basically an image of a white background where you want the circle to appear. And there you go. So I'll be providing those on the description as well so you guys can use it. So you can basically do this with multiple things as well. And that's it. You got your circle background. And then you can do whatever the hell you want with it. You can shrink it down, you can put it on the corner. That's pretty much how I have this scene sorted out as well. There you go. Pretty much it, you guys. Honestly, I really hope this helped. I'm not the best at doing tutorials. I'm giving my best shot over here. If there's something that you guys didn't understand, feel free to shoot me a message, post it in the comments, or even come meet me in my stream. I'm more than happy to show you then as well, step by step, how to do it again. Guys, thank you very much for all the love and support. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you check out the stream. I stream Monday to Saturday, starting at 4 p.m. Australian Western Standard Time. Sunday my days off. I hope to see you guys there. Have a great one, guys. Thank you very much for everything.